See, that's sick, bro. They be wheeling that thing. Let's go. What is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo, and today we got the YZ, and as you can see, this is just a small group of who we are with, and they go crazy on the mud. And there's there's a whole squad, bro. Bro, I'm about to follow these homies. Screw it. Hey, y'all came in deep.
Yo, you're Moto, bro.
Yeah. I'm gonna be following you guys. Is that cool? Yeah. Let's go.
I'll stick to prior stuff too.
Do what?
I'll stick to prior stuff.
No, do whatever. Don't matter. It's a better view over here. Look at boys going deep, popping a little wheelie. Oh my god, this is a mud fest, bro. It's a mud fest going on at the lot, bro. Bro, they're deep. Bro, I almost went into the water. Yo, Muddy and gang out here. Bro, I just seen a shoe. There's a croc in there too, bro. People are losing their shoes, their phones. It's that mud in life. Hey, have you guys been coming out here a lot, or?
Not too much. I live over in the estates. That's so crazy, though. So good to meet you, homie.
Yeah, bro, it's nice to meet you. Thank you, I appreciate that. Mud in life, bro. We got the mud life out here, dude. Mud in my Can-Am. See, that's sick, bro. They be wheeling that thing. Let's go. Bro, it's so sick how they be wheeling them like that. Man, that's an 850. Little kid. Let's go. Yes, sir. Bro, the little kids out here on the full-size four-wheelers, bro. Alright, now we're on some drier terrain, finally. A little race. I got a bald ass tire, but we're out here. Bro, look at this thing. It looks crazy. The wheels are so big. Let's go, bro. A little wheel ski while we're waiting for the freaking mudders. But bro, look at the squad, dude. Like, people just keep appearing and appearing. It's like a ride out, but for mudding. I love it, dude. Oh boy, bro. I'm getting muddy. There's no other, there's no other option. I'm getting muddy. I don't want to get too muddy. Look at this thing. Let's go. That thing sounds nasty. Yeah, a little three-point turn in the mud. You know the vibe. Yeah. That quad looks so big on that kid. He got a Sandlot shirt on though. Let's go. Bro, let me know. Should I get a mudding quad? Let me know down below right now. Because, bro, this looks fun. I've had homies hit me up like, yeah, let's go, you need a mudding quad. Let's go mudding. I'm like, bro, one day maybe. That thing sounds crazy. Yo, what the? Yo. They sound gnarly, bro. Oh, my! The whole squad deep. They're like, yo, who's this random that just joined our squad, bro? Bro, look over, he's going crazy. Let's go! Bro, he's almost underwater. Yeah, let's go, bro. This is mudding boys. Yeah. Dude, I need to go mudding, dude. This looks fun as hell. Just going underwater. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm going through it. I'm going on the edge. Sorry, guys, but I'm not trying to get too... Oh, fuck. Got a little deep right there. Alright, gang, we made it back to my car, and you're probably wondering, like, yeah, what's the bike look like? Well, as you can see, it is dirty as hell, but it's not as dirty as I thought it was gonna be. So, that's a benefit. We definitely need to clean this bad boy, because she is smoking dirty. But let's shred it a little bit longer. Let's see if we can find any other people or something. I be swagging on my YZ. Yes, sir. Bro, this bike, I love this bike, bro. Woo! Let's go. I'm trying to get faster and faster. I want to tune so fast it don't even sound like I'm tuning anymore, bro. It's just like, all you hear is that. Alrighty, gang, I hope you enjoyed this video. Mudding with the freaking boys out there. Stay motivated. Like I said, if you want me to get a quad and start mudding, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I freaking love you. Thanks so much for the support. I have merch in the description down below with some shirts, hats, and stuff. If you would like to check that out and support the homie, I appreciate it. Just hit that like button, bro, and you're a freaking real one. Love you, gang. Till next time. Peace.